Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best mini cordless chainsaw. Meet the Craftsman CMC CS320D1, a small but mighty helper that makes yard work lighter, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're trimming your garden or keeping your outdoor space clean and calm, this little tool is here to make the job easier. Stay with me as we explore it together. Let's get started. Product features: cutting power and runtime. With the ability to make up to 85 cuts on a single charge, this chainsaw feels like a reliable partner by your side, letting you focus more on shaping your yard just the way you love without stopping again and again. 6-inch bar with 4-inch cut capacity. Its 6-inch bar handles small logs and branches with ease, making regular pruning feel less like a chore and more like caring for your outdoor space, helping it look cleaner and more inviting. Compact and lightweight. Since it's 50% more compact and 14% lighter than the previous model, your hands and arms get a well-deserved break. Even during longer sessions, it feels comfortable, gentle, and easy to handle. Integrated tip guard. The built-in tip guard gives you a sense of control and safety, especially when cutting at angles or working a bit higher up. It helps you feel confident with every cut. Bolt lock chain tensioning. The secure chain tensioning system keeps everything steady, giving you peace of mind that the chain will stay in place so you can focus on your work without worry. Onboard storage and VersaTrack ready. It comes with thoughtful touches like a storage sheath and an onboard wrench holder. And if you like keeping your workspace neat, it fits right into the VersaTrack system for simple, organized storage. Pros: light, portable, and very easy to move around the yard. Impressive runtime, around 85 cuts per charge, enough for regular pruning sessions. Safety-focused features like the tip guard and secure chain tensioning help you feel confident while using it. Smart storage solutions that keep things tidy and accessible. Cons: the 6-inch bar is ideal for smaller branches, but not suitable for larger logs or heavy-duty cutting. Performance depends on battery capacity. Bigger tasks may require a larger battery. Not a replacement for a full-size chainsaw when working with thick wood. Final thoughts. The Craftsman CMCCS 320D feels like a gentle but capable companion for your outdoor work. It's simple to use, easy to carry, and perfect for everyday trimming and small cutting tasks. If you're looking for a tool that makes your yard feel more cared for without weighing you down, this is a wonderful choice. Just a quick note before we wrap up, tools like this don't just cut wood. They save time, reduce effort, and make your outdoor moments more enjoyable. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Tech Product, and like this video. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. See you in the next one.